We want to get you caught up with the latest on the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine this morning. The European Medicines Agency says it's found a possible link between this one-dose shot and extremely rare blood clots. The agency is now suggesting the vaccine come with a warning label. However, scientists maintain the benefits, though, still outweigh the risks. Europe stopped the rollout of the J&J vaccine shortly after the U.S. recommended that it be paused. And new this morning, we reached out to a local doctor to get some answers about the next step in the pandemic as more people in our community get COVID-19 vaccines.
Let's check in with ABC Action News reporter Larissa Scott, who explains the changes we're going to start to see from the CDC.
As we move forward, public health experts say it's going to be really important for us to pay attention to CDC guidelines because they're going to change.
People have watched science play out in front of them as we've learned new information and gotten new evidence.
Throughout the pandemic, doctors say it's been a little confusing to the public, especially at the beginning, because as researchers learn new information, the CDC changed its guidelines multiple times.
What you're going to see is that as more people get vaccinated, and the vaccine proves to be more efficacious, meaning it works against variants. It actually prevents transmissions of COVID. It keeps people from getting sick and in the hospital. You'll start to see the guidelines about how we gather start to change as well.
As we move forward, experts stress people need to pay close attention to the latest CDC guidelines because they're going to mimic where we're at with the data and what we know about the vaccines at any given point, including how many people are vaccinated in the country.
Now, they're going to lag behind where we want to be. That's natural in science because we don't want to push too far ahead and get ahead of ourselves and have to pull it back or have people get sick or needlessly get hospitalized or die, right? We want to be very careful with that.
The CDC's most recent update to its guidelines was earlier this month, giving fully vaccinated people the okay to resume domestic travel without having to quarantine or being tested. We're expected to get new information in the upcoming weeks, and we'll continue to keep you updated on this story on abcactionnews.com. Reporting from Tampa, Larissa Scott, ABC Action News.